Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. We are on the road to 1,000 subbies. So please hit subscribe, like this video, and comment because I need a little bit more engagement. So let's hop right into this video. We are doing a February Valentine's Day beat. So I'm gonna be doing a few Valentine's Day videos so you guys can kind of get, you know, ready for Valentine's Day. Get your sexy on for your mans. I got you. I'm gonna be doing a pink look, a red look, and this will be my natural pretty look for girls who don't want to do all that extra stuff. So let's get started. So first things first, we're going to start working on the brows. For my brows, I use Morphe and NYX pencil, and sometimes I use a ColourPop pencil, whatever is closest. I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro, a oldie but goodie, in the color Warm Honey, and I'm using ColourPop's medium dark 32 on the lids. So I want to speed through doing my eyebrows because I have a whole video on how I do my eyebrows. I'll link it at the top so you guys can see. But yep, can enjoy watching me do my eyebrows. I'll be back. The eyebrows are done, so I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of Airspun all over my T-zone. This is something new that I've been doing lately, and I actually like doing it to kind of stop me from being oily. I've been doing this a lot. So, and I have already primed my face with a little bit of Hangover. I am just going to dust this off. I have some perfections. I said perfections, of course I'm perfect. I have some imperfections on my face. So I'm gonna be using LA Girl Pro's orange corrector to correct parts of my face right now before I start on my foundation that I don't like. I'm just trying to see what I wanna conceal. Definitely want to conceal the mustache. That's number one. Yep, that's about it. Those are the only places I want to conceal. These are the only places I really want to color correct. And then I normally never color correct my forehead, but I have been breaking out like crazy, y'all. Like, I don't know if it is stress or if it's the fact that the last time I had makeup, I didn't wash my face right after. I just took the makeup off, and I think that's when it happened, but it's slowly starting to go away. So normally I do my eyebrow, my eyeshadow first, then do everything else. I'm going to switch it up and I'm going to do foundation first, and then I'm going to do eyeshadow. So I'm going to do it different today. Foundation I'm using is going to be CoverGirl True Blend Matte Foundation. And I'm going to put a little bit of the Anastasia foundation as well. In the Cover Blend, I'm a D50. It's a matte, and the Luminous foundation, I am a 450C. The reason I'm missing it because this one is darker and this is lighter. So right now, because it's so cold, I'm a bit lighter. So I'm gonna, you know, mixing these together. So I'm gonna put my foundation on and we'll get back to doing the eyeshadow. Okay, so for this look, I'm gonna do something really kind of simple, natural, and if you kind of see this because I didn't push it all the way down, but I'm gonna do something pretty simple, natural, just easy. I'm gonna be using only my Too Faced chocolate bar palette. I personally love this palette. Oh, and it smells so good. It smells like chocolate, which is crazy. So I'm gonna be using a few of these, more of the lighter colors because I'm not doing too much on the face, on the eyeshadow. So I feel like for girls who don't like to do the whole full face makeup beat for Valentine's Day, you probably want something soft and pretty and subtle. So for the base, we're going to go in with Mocha. And you're just gonna pack your lid all over with Mocha. I'm the type of girl who, frankly, I don't like the whole colors. Like, I'm not a colors girl when it comes to foundation. I really like neutrals. I don't need all that extra stuff. I like it neutral and plain as possible. And as if for Valentine's Day, I personally hate Valentine's Day. I feel like Valentine's Day hasn't been great since, it was a joke that my friend said, since elementary school, and we were giving everybody a Valentine's Day card and gift. I don't know. I've never had a man go extremely out for me on Valentine's Day. When I say extremely out, I'm talking about the stuff that I see on TikTok and Facebook, like the rose petals on the bed, the hotel room, so a picnic. Like, I've never had a man do that, and I guess that's kind of sad now that I think about that shit. But I'm not saying that the guys that I've dated were horrible. It's usually I have a man during Valentine's Day and it's just not going great, or I don't have a man and I'm single during Valentine's Day. So it's usually kind of that thing. But usually 9 out of 10 I'm single on Valentine's Day than I am with someone, or I'm always going through something with the person I'm with. So once we have Mocha all over the lid, we're gonna go a little bit in Malted on the corner, which I'm going to use something kind of small and fluffy for Malted. We're going to pop that right on the lids here. Malted is like a subtle dark brown, but it has kind of some glitter in it. Y'all see that? Like a subtle brown black. Y'all see that? Ooh, pretty. Okay, so we're gonna cut our crease just like this. I did the black on the corner so I can kind of figure out where I want my cut crease to stop. So I'm going to cut my crease with the same color pop I used earlier. And just take it slow, you guys. Okay. And if my eye is shaking, I hate when I do a cut crease because my eye always starts shaking. My eye starts shaking like a baby deer, y'all. I'm talking shaking. Okay, we're done. We're not doing a big cut crease. It's really gonna be a very, very, very small cut crease. Once the cut crease is done, we're gonna go back in to the palette to Malted. And we're going to just kind of, you know, in a sense, just fix that out. All right. Once we're done, on top of our cut crease, we're going to go in with a subtle, pretty color. I'm trying to decide if we should do satin sheets or divinity or cashew chew. Ooh, or maybe almond truffle. Oh, it smells so good. So we're going to go in with, oh, maybe, no, that's a color. We're gonna go in with cashew chew, which is right here. It looks pink on camera, but it's really like a pretty grayish, whitish, yeah. So we're gonna mix cashew chew, and then we're gonna go in on top of it with a little bit of divinity. Okay, so to grab it, use a flat brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick up cashew with my flat brush, and then we're going to just pat it right on top. Just pat it right on top. I'm gonna go in a little more. I'm picking up a lot because cashew chew is very, it's really light, so you have to pick up a good amount. Okay. And on the other side, I'm gonna go in here and pick up Divinity, which is at the bottom. And we're gonna put a little bit of Divinity on top. Ooh, Divinity is a little on the white side. Maybe I picked up too much. Let me pick up a little more. Now that we have that on top, we're gonna go back into Malted and just kind of clean it up here. We'll do it lightly when we're cleaning it up. And then we're gonna go into Molasses Chip. So Molasses Chip is like a little pretty brown golden color. And we're gonna go into it, and with the small little brush, we're gonna grab as much as we can, and we're gonna just plop it right there in the inner corner. Oh, hope I didn't get it in my eye. Let's just pull these back. Perfect. This is pretty. Nice and simple. A little bit of, it looks black, but it's actually like a brownish color, you guys. I'm gonna go in, conceal my face, and I'll be right back for the lipstick. Okay, so I'm back. I done concealed, contoured. I'm gonna go back into Maltese and put it all under the bottom of my eye. I hate going there. I make the ugliest face when I do that. Okay. Perfect. And then I'm going to go back into Molasses Chip just to touch up a little bit under my eye too with it. And the inner corners. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna go put my lashes on, you guys. I'm thinking of what type of lipstick I should do, which I have not decided. I should figure that out now. Give me a minute. So I want the lips to be very simple since we have so much going on with the eyes. And then I'm using my NYX brown pencil to go around my lips. There's barely any in here. There's barely any lipstick left either. Barely any in here either. I have to go on a makeup run because I don't have anything anymore. It's like you always get to a point in your makeup stash where you run out of makeup. You'll run out of makeup and be looking crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna go put my lashes on, fix my hair, and I'll be back, you guys. So I'm back, you guys. Y'all feeling it? Y'all feeling it? You know, I'm giving y'all a little bit of the natural hair tease for some of these videos because I'm trying to give my hair a break from doing all the other stuff. But how do y'all like the look? So pretty, so simple, so subtle. Like, this is, I feel like this is a perfect look for Valentine's Day. Like simple lipstick, simple this, simple that, eyebrows popping. If you got inches, then that's even better. If you got natural hair, you got curls popping, it'll still work. So yeah, this is my final look, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.